The new iPad Pro is about to get a massive upgrade, and this one could completely change the game. Apple is preparing to launch the upcoming iPad Pro M5, and if you thought the M4 version was fast, you're not ready for what's next. This might just be the most powerful tablet Apple has ever built, and possibly the first real step toward replacing your laptop for good. Welcome back to Tap Tech, where we bring you the latest from the world of tech. And today we're diving into everything we know about the upcoming iPad Pro M5, including its design, specs, performance, and what makes this upgrade one of Apple's boldest moves yet. So stick around till the end, because what Apple is planning for this iPad will surprise even the most loyal fans. Let's start with what's been making the biggest noise. The chip, Apple's M5 chip. This is expected to be built on a new 2-nanometer process, making it even smaller, faster, and more power-efficient than the already impressive M4. If the rumors are true, the M5 could offer up to 25% better CPU performance and up to 40% better GPU power compared to the M4. That means faster multitasking, smoother gaming, and much better AI capabilities. Apple has been focusing a lot on on-device AI, and the M5 chip is expected to bring enhanced neural engine performance that will make the iPad Pro smarter than ever. From photo editing to 3D modeling, this iPad could handle everything effortlessly while staying cool and energy efficient. But performance isn't the only story. Apple is reportedly planning a redesigned cooling system to make the most of the M5 chip's power. The new thermal structure will allow sustained performance over longer periods without overheating. That's something professional creators have been asking for, and Apple finally seems to be listening. If you use your iPad for video editing, illustration, or music production, this could be a big deal. Now let's talk about the display, because Apple is about to take it to another level. The new iPad Pro M5 is rumored to feature an upgraded OLED panel with even higher brightness, better color accuracy, and deeper contrast than before. Apple might call it Ultra Retina XDR, and it's said to support a refresh rate of 120 Hz with advanced HDR support. The visuals will be stunning, whether you're watching movies, gaming, or editing high-resolution content. Another exciting change could be the new display technology for improved power efficiency. Apple might use a hybrid tandem OLED structure that offers better battery life while maintaining incredible picture quality. Combined with the M5's efficiency, this could make the iPad Pro last even longer on a single charge. Perfect for creators and professionals who are always on the go. Speaking of design, expect Apple to keep things sleek and minimal. The iPad Pro M5 might look similar to the previous generation, but with subtle refinements, thinner bezels, sharper edges, and possibly a new titanium frame. Apple introduced titanium on the iPhone 15 Pro, and we might finally see that premium material come to the iPad lineup. It'll make the tablet lighter and stronger, giving it that luxurious feel that Apple users love. The front camera is also expected to stay centered in landscape orientation, a change Apple made recently that finally makes video calls more natural. With Face ID, improved sensors, and potentially better low-light performance, this iPad could offer the best camera setup ever seen on a tablet. On the back, Apple might introduce a refined camera bump with upgraded sensors, maybe even adding a LiDAR system that works faster and more accurately with AR apps. Now let's talk about something that will excite creators and the new Apple Pencil. Apple is reportedly developing a next-generation Apple Pencil that could debut with the iPad Pro M5. This new stylus might include haptic feedback and new gesture controls, offering a more realistic drawing and writing experience. Some leaks even suggest that it could magnetically charge faster and offer color sampling directly from real objects. Yes, you could point it at something in the real world, and it would capture that color for your design. If that happens, it would be a game-changer for artists and designers. Apple may also update the Magic Keyboard. The new version might come with a larger trackpad, aluminum build, and even a function key row, making the iPad feel more like a true laptop replacement. Combined with iPadOS 19, which could bring better window management, floating app support, and expanded external display features, this iPad will blur the line between tablet and MacBook even more. And let's be honest, that's Apple's real goal here. The iPad Pro M5 isn't just a tablet. It's Apple's attempt to redefine what a portable computer can be. With AI capabilities built right into the M5 chip, you can expect features like real-time transcription, smarter multitasking, and on-device generative tools that help you write, design, or even code faster. Apple wants this iPad to feel like your intelligent assistant, fast, capable, and deeply personal. Battery life is another area Apple is focusing on. Thanks to the M5's efficiency and the new OLED technology, users might see battery performance stretch up to 14 hours or more, depending on usage. That's a big jump from before. And because of the rumored 2-nanometer chip design, this power comes without sacrificing heat management or speed. As for connectivity, expect Wi-Fi 7 support, making wireless connections faster and more stable. 5G models will also see an upgrade with better antennas and lower latency for streaming, gaming, and cloud-based productivity. Apple is even said to be experimenting with reverse charging, meaning you could charge your iPhone or AirPods directly from your iPad, a small but incredibly convenient touch. Storage options could start from 256 GB and go all the way up to 2 TB, with faster read and write speeds than ever before. The base RAM might also start at 12 GB, ensuring apps run seamlessly. Apple's focus on professional use cases means the iPad Pro M5 won't just be a casual device anymore. It's a real productivity machine. Now let's talk about the software, because hardware alone doesn't make magic happen. iPadOS 19 is expected to be tightly integrated with the M5 chip. That means smarter app performance, better multitasking, and even AI-driven tools that help with creative workflows. Imagine drawing something and your iPad suggesting color palettes based on your previous art, or editing a video and your device automatically enhancing lighting and color balance using Apple's new AI engine. These are the kind of experiences Apple is shaping for the next generation. Pricing, as always, will be premium. Apple is likely to position the iPad Pro M5 around $1,119 for the base model, possibly more for higher storage and 13-inch variants. It's expected to launch in late 2025, and considering Apple's release pattern, pre-orders could open soon after the official event announcement. But here's something interesting. Apple's M5 chip will likely appear first in the iPad Pro before coming to the MacBook lineup. That's a big deal. It shows how serious Apple is about making the iPad Pro the center of its computing vision. It's not just a companion device anymore. It's leading the charge. If Apple delivers everything we've heard, a new chip, OLED display, better battery, titanium frame, and smarter accessories, the iPad Pro M5 could be one of the most complete devices Apple has ever built. It'll appeal to professionals, creators, and everyday users who want top-tier performance in a portable form. And it'll raise one big question. Do we still need a laptop if the iPad can do everything better? As we move closer to Apple's next event, excitement is building. The iPad Pro M5 isn't just about raw power. It's about how far Apple can push the boundaries of what a tablet can be. Whether you're a designer, filmmaker, student, or tech enthusiast, this iPad could be the one that finally makes you rethink what your main device should be. Apple knows that the future is all about mobility, intelligence, and seamless design. And the iPad Pro M5 looks ready to define that future. Thanks for watching Tap Tech. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Apple's upcoming iPad Pro M5, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next big tech reveal. We've got more exciting videos coming your way about the future of Apple devices and what's next in the world of tech. Stay tuned, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one, right here on Tap Tech.